Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto G23 and I'm gonna show you how to copy the contacts from the SIM card on this device. First we need to open the Contacts application on our phone. You can do it by swiping up on the home screen to open the app menu, and then you can tap on the Contacts icon to open the Contacts application. Once you open the app, you may see the list of contacts if you have any saved on your phone. As you can see, I don't have any, so I have an empty page. Now, to import the contacts from the SIM card, tap on Fix and Manage option, then tap on Import from SIM, and here we have the list of contacts saved on our SIM card. And we can do a couple of things. We can select where we want to save the contacts, so you can tap on Save To, and you have Google account or the phone. You can select device, or we have the second device option. I don't know what's the difference, but I'm gonna select the named device right here. Once you select the place you want to save the contacts to, you can also select the contacts which you want to copy. So you don't need to copy all of them. You can select specific ones you want to copy. For example, I'm gonna select only 3 of them, and then I can tap on the import button to copy the contacts. So let's tap on import. As you can see, it says 3 contacts imported, and we go to the contacts list and they will appear right here. And that's how you copy the contacts from the SIM card on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.